Hey guys, welcome back to Baby Kids 3. I'm playing Don't Press the Button. I guess I spawned in the wrong group. Anyways, let's see. Oh, what is this? Get to the end of the road while traffic light. Is it red light, green light? Are you supposed to sit in? Oh, did I die? Did it shoot me? Did it shoot me? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't understand this. Okay, please just end. Please make it to the end. Okay, what's in here? Which items? Okay, let me catch up to you guys. Oh, obstacles. I am the pro of obstacles. I love them. They're super fun. Wow. That's pretty easy. And then this jump is gonna be easy. I know it's good. Dang, that's a lot. Don't put that much flour. Plus, I'm not gonna eat that. It looks gross.
Yummy.
Well, anyways, I'll just do it anyways, because that was actually very nice. Okay. Oh, there's ducks. Make it to the end. Okay, somebody has to stop us? Okay. Ah! God. Are you serious? Man, I'm about to punch these people. Oh, please. Okay, finally, I was rushing those people for like the coins and all that. What is this? Oh, of course they would put me on the red team. Let's knock each other's balls into our basketball. But instead you're rolling it, not throwing it. Okay, this sucks. Oh, please, just let me have the ball. Ladies, stop. Oh my gosh, I'm going to the different ball. No. Please. Are you supposed to get it in our hole? Or wait, I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Okay, let me just put the balls, please. I don't know where to put it. And I don't know if I should let them put it in my hole. Because, oh no, the other team. They're bad. Anyways, okay, please, the Pringles. Oh my god, the girl. Stop. Get off of the ball, please. I don't have no... Oh. So we were supposed to. Okay, I did not know if I was supposed to roll it in. No, keep it out. Red team won. Okay, I'm a winner all the time. Okay, I swear. What is this? Are these closing in? Okay, it's closing in. Are you supposed to get through it? How are people dying from that? You just walk. Jeez. What's going on? Okay, well now we're shooting people. Alright. So let's shoot these people. Okay, let me see if I can shoot them. I don't know how to shoot them. Okay, my character can move now. I cannot. Okay, so it's like Arsenal almost. Where you have to just shoot people on the other team. I don't think those are other people, but they're going to look like it. I only have 9 planes. Oh no. They're only showing me the blue ones. Oh my gosh. Oh. I only got 12 points. Okay, what's this game? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna say hi to all of you. Oh, look at watch. Yeah, you don't see me. Ooh, okay. I'm finally okay. Oh my gosh, bro. All those people died, bro. Okay, please. That's so easy. Do they think these games are hard? I mean, I know it's like a kid's game, I guess. I don't know. Okay, let me see. I'm supposed to go through the triangle, so is it dodge red, because red is evil in Roblox. It's bad. Okay, please, woman, die. Please, I want to win. Okay, or maybe both of us can just win. Yeah, I went through that one too. Okay, that's cool. Yay. I'm always the one to push the button. Okay. So you're supposed to go through the green ones, which is the path. I'm gonna find the path for everybody. Hold on. Oh, hold on. I found that one. See, I found that one too. Wait, no, I didn't fall through. I swear I didn't. Oh no. I hate this. Oh my gosh. No! This sucks. This is not fair. Trivia question? What's the most expensive item in the item shop? I don't know. Bloxy Cola, I'm guessing? Speed Coil. I don't know. Moneybag isn't, because the money bag isn't real. It's not real Robux. Even though I have 588 Robux. Oh my gosh, those people dying. Look at them. Please. Oh my gosh, okay. So sword fight? We're doing this in this game? I'm really good at sword fights. Look it. You just kill the people. You just kill the what? That guy wasn't dying. But this one is. Dang. Well, okay. Oh, this guy looks weird. You can capture? Do not make me the only one who presses this button all the time. Okay, spinning cube. Stay in the spinning cube on each set. Oh, I've played this before. I've played this game in so many Roblox games. Oh my gosh. Okay, you're supposed to make it up to a cube that has like the highest spot right here. So you don't fall down. And then you need to get up on the top. It's just really hard and scary. Okay, like it turns and you have to like on the top of it. Oh. But the people in the cube, they're trying to get out. Oh, I forgot. Oh wait, no, we need to get on this side. No. Help. Gosh, this is so scary. Look it. Oh, I won. We won. Okay. No, I'm not playing this one again. I don't want to play this one. Okay, the balls are just not good for anyone because they're all just like mean. Hey! Jeez, these people are coming in my way like so like weird. Ah! Boy, like down, just the feeling and the girls, please. I'm on the blue team now, okay? Well, didn't notice that. Please make it 17 seconds again. That was a horrible run. This sucks. I hate this. I guess, bro. Okay. I don't know. 1 second. Okay, well, at least my team won again. That's awesome. Remember what coin is behind which cup. Okay. Middle. Left. Middle, right. Left. Middle, right. It's the right. It's the far right. Please. Okay. I thought it wasn't gonna work. I was like, oh no, I don't want to stick with that. Let's see. It's the right one. Let's see. You got the bread. It's on the right one, guys. Yes, I got it. So I earned the coin, I guess. Oh, thank you. Oh my god. 10 coins. Wow, that's a lot of coins for 1 coin. Oh, gosh. Collect, logs and build a bridge. Okay. Let's do that. This is pretty peaceful, actually. I like the music and all that. Okay, we're done. Okay, please press. Okay, I'll be in front of everybody. Come on, follow me because I the ball. Let's get back to our lobby. Okay, that's good. Whew, alright. I always have to be the one to press the button first. Okay, diamond in the cave. Collect it before anyone else does. Let me see. I'm going to go just wherever my heart feels, not over there because that's kind of not where my heart is falling. I'm gonna go over here. I'm not gonna follow that girl because that's gonna be cheating. No, there's nothing over here. This is where my passion is. And lady, please stop following me because I'm going to get the gem first. And there is no way, my god! Oh my god! Thank you. Okay, settle down now. Y'all be Bart chicks now. Okay, I'm so good at these ones. It's like cross the road. It's like that mobile game. Bro, okay, look at how easy. I just need to pass all the cars and stop this lady. Guys, don't stop. Keep going no matter what. She's trying to beat me. Loser. Ah. Oh my god, that scared me. I made it first. Oh my gosh, I got 10 coins because of it. And it put me in the first on the leaderboard. Okay, I'm not gonna be the first one to press the button again. Okay, let me see. I don't remember where it is. I don't remember. Please, I don't remember. Oh, well, somebody else already got it. Okay, I'm not the first to press it again. Oh my god. Is this like a Mario level or something? Oh, you're supposed to bounce them off? It's a push? Oh my gosh, I bounced 2 off. Oh my god, with my head. You see that? Oh my gosh, bounce. This is awesome. This is so much fun, bruh. Oh my gosh, I'm bouncing these off away. I'm the only one doing this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Please help me. Oh my god, that one bounced off of like somebody. I don't know. Is there a tiny person here? I don't know. I don't get it. This is so creepy, actually. Yo! Oh! I pressed the button first again. Okay. Trivia question. What's the most expensive item in the money bag, I guess? I don't know. Okay, is this sucks.
Okay, I hate this. If you want to report Roblox, please do, because this is just horrible.
It's counting down? Okay, oh my gosh, I'm in first. Oh my gosh, wait, this one burned me. Remember? Oh gosh, I hope I don't mess up. Ah, no, I didn't mean to. No, this isn't funny. You press the button again first, okay? Oh no, not this one again. Okay, I'm done. I love you guys so much, and peace out. Hope to find you on Roblox. Bye.